Okay, second grade. So today we're going to be talking about place values up to the 3 digits. So we're going to go over some terminology just to help you guys at first. So Abby, what is undervalue? What does it mean? It says it right there. What does it? Read it for me. What does it say? Is it the amount?
The amount each digit is worth.
Good job. All right, Dwight. So whenever it comes over to digit, what is digit?
A symbol that represents a whole number.
Okay, so then that means right here a whole number. Right there, any of these 3 are digits. So bringing those 2 together, it's place value, which is what we're talking about today. And that's the value of a digit based on its place in a number. So just where these are placed in a number. So the hundreds, tens, and ones are place values. So what that means is when you look into the hundreds place value, what digit is this?
3.
300.
Well, you're right, yeah. So it's a 3. So it's 3 groups of hundreds. So when you come over here to the tens value, what's that digit
60.
right there? 60. What is that number? What's that digit right there?
6.
It's 2.
Dose.
So there's a 2 digit right there. So how many groups of tens are there?
2.
Which means that there's 20. When you come over here to the ones,
And my 2s and 6s confused.
that's okay. So with the ones value right there, what's that digit right there?
8.
So there's 8 single ones. Okay? So we're going to put that all together. And remember that the hundreds, there's 3 digits. So that's 300. Tens, there's 2 groups of 10. So that's 20. And ones, there's 8. So that means that 328 is the whole digit. So we're going to put this into effect down here. And it says the digit, which is the whole number, in the tens place is what number? What digit is this, Abby?
2.
Good job. So that would be 2 right there. But then we come down here and it says the value, which is the amount each digit is worth, in the tens place is
2 times 10.
if you have 2
20.
groups. All right. Awesome.
That's 2 times 10.
It's
Nailed
2 times
it.
10. You got it. So are there any questions over this? You guys good? Okay, so just keep this in mind because we'll be going and doing an activity on education.com after the lecture today. If you've got any questions at all, just let me know though, and we'll go over it. And so just remember that there's the hundreds, tens, and ones when you're talking about 3-digit place values. So then the next thing that we're going to be talking about is greater than, less than, and equal to symbols. Have you ever went over those?
Yes,
Mhm.
I have. I have.
You have? Okay. So
Wait, have you never gone over them, Dad?
I'm new. I don't know what to do.
Okay, so there are
Yep.
less than
Yep.
or equal to
Yep. Yep.
on there.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
So when it comes to that one, the way to think of it is that these right here are mouths, and they're wanting to eat the most dessert.
Alligator
So
mouths.
they're alligator mouths. You're right. So you're going to pick the highest number because they're going to want the most in those numbers. Okay. So some examples that I have.
Major duck.
All right, would be 105.
Come on.
Poor guy. Oh, he wants us some notes.
We have our therapy dog at school today, huh? So, okay. So when it comes to this one, Abby, which one would it be if you're looking at the 100 or the 105? What would it look like? Good job doing that left-handed.
Nailed it.
All right. Okay, Dwight. So for the next one, it's 635 or 323. It's always wanting the most number.
Most.
Awesome. And then when it comes down to this one, when they're the exact same, obviously they're going to be
Equal.
Equal.
it's a little faster today, huh?
Ha!
No, I have water in my mouth. I was gonna
Oh,
say it.
Sorry. Okay. And so then those are your examples. So I just wanted, just remember all these different things, and we're gonna do worksheets over this weekend to help you guys. But there's a quiz next week. So is there any questions following this lecture? You guys are good?
Good
All
stuff.
right.